So, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna, and today we are going to learn something about universe and our solar system. This is a solar system lesson, not total about solar system. We are learning some part. How was universe made and how was solar system made? What was solar system made? Today we are going to learn first topic, how was universe or our solar system, and both how are made. Okay, so let's start our class. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to get notifications of my channel. And also I started important questions in 8th class physics, biology and social. If you want to learn important questions in that lessons, if you are 8th class, please check out my channel. Okay, let's start our class. So our solar system or our universe, here I read solar system only, or our universe was made by so many theories. There are so many theories to tell how our universe or our solar system made, but the popular theory in those theories, the popular theory is Big Bang theory. Okay, Big Bang theory. In this theory, it was telling how the solar system and our universe made. Let us see what is the Big Bang theory. Okay, Big Bang theory is the popular theory from all the theories. Okay, because it has some proofs of this is the identification of universe. Okay, so let's see what is this Big Bang theory says in today's topic. This only Big Bang theory. What is this Big Bang theory and what it is telling? Okay, let's start our class. So Big Bang theory was saying that our universe or our solar system which we are seeing now is not there before, when million or we can say billion years ago. There is nothing in the space. Then a small dot like structure was formed. Okay, when suddenly why that dot was formed, where that dot was formed, there is no proofs for that. Okay, was formed. Do you know one thing? It is a fact that this small dot like structure contains billions of temperatures and so much of dense it has, so much of dense in the this like point contains only one dot. In this inside the dot, it contains billions of temperature and high dense, powerful dense it has. And suddenly at a point, there is I told you, no, there is no reason why and where that point was formed it. Okay, next, which contain more dense and high temperatures. Okay, let's go to next slide to get what happened to this small dot. Okay, so I told that it has very high temperature, which is 10,000 to 1 crore or 10 crores degrees at a particular time. That the point has more heat and more dense, then it is boom. It is boom. It expand in all directions. So you can ask me why this theory get names Big Bang theory only. Because the dot like structure expands through all directions after the boom, so it is big bang. Big bang. Bang means boom. Big boom theory. Okay, did you understand? Okay, next, it expands through all the directions in universe. Okay, all the directions. If it is the dot, 1 minute, if it is the dot and it expands through all the directions which it has, in all the directions. Okay, in all directions it expand and make this total galaxies, solar systems, stars, neutron stars, black holes, etc., etc. Okay, this small dot contains very high dense and very high temperatures, so it forms this much of universe and total galaxies, stars, solar systems, our earth, etc., etc. And our there is a big Milky Way galaxies, like nebula star, which has 1 lakh, not 1 lakh, 10 lakhs 500 kilometers diameter, contains nebula star, like big stars, etc., etc., are formed through this single small dot. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, okay friends, at a particular time it is boom. Okay, so let's see. And you can ask me how much time for this boom, and how much time to form this earth. It is, the boom was made suddenly, but that sudden boom, and our for that our earth formed, let's see here, not suddenly, this total was formed is to take billions of years. It is not formed suddenly earth. And trees, oceans, and also stars and orbits which is revolving our earth and another earths, billions of years to form atoms. Atoms only to form, it takes billions of years. Particles, substances, likewise the total universe was formed. And also, do you know one fact? There is one fact in this page, that is, 1 minute. Okay, that is, our earth takes 13.4 billion years to form like this, which we are seeing now. Okay, 13.4 billion means 134 million years. It is a so much big number. You can't say that with our mouth. Big years. Then our earth was formed. How was earth formed? What happened to the earth? How was solar system was formed? What happened to solar system? How why only our earth contains water in liquid form? Okay, like these questions we will discuss in next classes. Until then, bye bye. Let's meet in another class. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Krishna Navjos, and click the bell icon to get notifications. Don't forget that seeing the important questions for physics, biology and social for 8th class students. Okay, bye bye. Let's meet in another class.